So how cute is this? We've got a male king parrot here, and then we've got the female up there, and its little baby following it. How cute is that? So cute. And I think that might be a baby as well, but not sure how well you can see that. But off they go. Alright, I'll go say hello to the male. Hello, how are you? Hey buddy. How close can I get to you? Do you want a treat? Do you want something? Just kind of looking at me. There you go. Oh, Chucky's come. Hey Chucky. He looks like such a tired dad. No, you're just gonna sit there. That's alright. You can have something. Hey. You're very pretty. Yeah, the other female's looking at me. Hello. How you doing, girl? Did all your babies fly off, hey? You're so pretty, buddy. So pretty. Hey, girl. How are you? Hey. Hello, Chucky. Would you like something? Oh, okay. Chucky goes crazy. Let's take a look at the female. Chucky's pecking me. Chucky, you can't eat me. Look at her. She's like, if you don't give me any food, I'll eat you. Hey. Hey, Chucky. Hey, gorgeous girl. Hi. It's okay. I won't hurt you. Yeah, this is for you if you want it. Do you want it? It's up to you. Up to you. There we go. There's a good girl, hey? Your babies are very cute. Oh my god, there's a chicken pecking my toes. Oh, sorry, it's okay. Chucky. My toes are not for eating. Look at her. Ow. Nope, she's going for the other foot. Oh my god, Chucky. Toes are not for eating. Hey boy. Here you go. That's a good boy. And here comes the Chucky to eat my toes. Well, I hope you have a good day, okay? Bye bye.